Hello everyone, it's Taneesha and today I'm going to be unboxing or unpackaging a Kilo mystery clothing package. Throughout the year I usually go to Kilo sales and vintage shops, but because they've been closed for a while, the shops are open again, but the Kilo fairs haven't been a thing for a while, so they are doing them online. And Preloved Kilo, the one that I usually go to a lot, they did mystery boxes and then also tailored boxes. I didn't manage to get a tailored one, the one that I wanted, and then I missed the mystery ones the first time, but the second time that they put them on, I managed to get one. I couldn't get a small because they did them in sizes, but I got a medium, which is perfectly fine because I like oversized clothing, or it might be a women's medium or something. I have no idea what's in here. There could be trousers that might not fit, but this looks like a jacket, so I'm just gonna get into it and see what I got. This is literally like Christmas. I also don't know how many things will be in here. I'm thinking like maybe 2 to 4, possibly, because it's a kilo and you pay by kilo. So, oh okay, it was tissue paper that I saw. Okay, this was blocking the view, which is good. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4 things, and I see something Puma. I should clarify, I picked the option for branded things because there was an option for branded things and an option for anything from the 60s to now. I would prefer to pick my own older styled clothing because I know what I like, and this could be something that's not for me. That's why I would try to do the safe option. The first thing is, oh, a night jumper. Oh, that looks quite cool actually. And I think it will fit. It won't be baggy, but it should fit. I'm hoping. I have long arms. But yeah, I actually like this. That's quite nice. And that is what is on the front. And this looks like something that you'd get in the 90s. I was born at the end of the 90s, so I can only speak from photos, but this looks like something like that. I'm going to try everything on afterwards. I'm trying not to look as I pull them up. But the second thing is a Hawaiian shirt. I'm going to live my beach dad fantasy with this. Okay. Random. I like patterned shirts. I've never gone for the Hawaiian dad shirt, but you know, time to try something new, and that's quite, oh, that looks quite big. I like oversized shirts. Yeah, that's quite cool. The brand, Pedoza. And I think, yeah, this will be interesting to try on. This is literally like Christmas. I think the next one is a t-shirt, if I'm right, and oh, I thought it was going to say Panther, but it says, oh, that really confused me. I thought this was the front, but on the back it says Together in orange, yellow, orange text, and then at the front it says Charger Basketball, and it's Adidas. So this, oh my gosh, I really can't show these. So this is what it looks like. And I've been wanting some oversized tees actually, so this will be nice, tucked in, baggy, with some skinny jeans. Black skinny jeans, dark blue skinny jeans. That is how I'm going to style it, I think. The last thing is a jacket. And it is a blue Puma jacket. Okay, that's quite cool. I think this will fit me. What size is it? UK 30 to 32, so I think it should fit me. Like a 30. It's just the arms, but yeah, that is, if that fits, that would be quite cool. I'm gonna try all these things and then see how I feel about them, and then if for some reason they're just not vibing with me, then I will probably put them on Depop or something, but I quite like them. Quite like it. So yeah, this is the last thing. I am not the best at explaining clothing, but you can see what they look like. I'm going to try everything on maybe try and style them and then show you properly what they look like on. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, comment down below. My social media links will be in the description as well, including my new fashion account, because I just want to take cool photos and post them. And subscribe to my channel to see more videos, and I'll see you next time. Bye!